lady, very beautiful, very fair, and everything is very fine, very good, so beautiful outwardly, but inwardly she's very arrogant, having such attitude, showing all the time, kind of screaming, shouting, and try to dominate people. So I think
First, could you introduce yourself, like which place you are connecting within this group discussion?
Yes, of course. I am connecting to you from Bombay. Yes,
And you, Nutan?
yeah, I am connecting from UP, Mathura.
Okay. And I'm connecting with you from Jaipur, Rajasthan. So I think today's topic I have already sent you. So shall we discuss?
Yeah,
yes, yes,
sure, sure.
So the topic is outer beauty versus inner beauty.
yes.
So who
Nice,
will
nice.
first
So,
start? Ma'am, do you
Yeah,
want to take this order because you are elder than us?
okay, it doesn't
Okay.
matter, but it's okay. So what is the inner beauty? Definition of a inner beauty when uh, whatever we think, our heart full of joy, whatever we feel, that is the inner beauty. Like the way we think, the way we express our ideas, that is our inner beauty. And if we
Hmm.
talk about external beauty, so physically, whatever is our body shape, like skin color, eyes, hair color, hair, these all are external beauty. That is
Hmm.
called, but when you talk about beauty, so people first attract with the external beauty.
Yes.
That is that is truth. But I think external beauty is important, but inner beauty is much more important than external beauty. But people always prefer first external beauty. But
Hmm.
internal beauty is a long life. Uh, it is with us for a long life till we die.
Hmm.
So after a period of time, inner beauty is always be with us and depends on our inner beauty. How can we lead our life and survive our life, our happiness, sadness, everything is depend on our inner beauty.
to me, I prefer inner beauty, not outer beauty, because inner beauty that really define that what you are inwardly, what the actually like your whole personality. Because let's say there's a person, let's say how hypothetically I'm saying this to you, a person, a lady, very beautiful, very fair, and everything is very fine, very good, so beautiful outwardly, but inwardly she is very arrogant, having such attitude, showing all the time, kind of screaming, shouting, and try to dominate, dominate people. So I think that's not called like a beauty within ourselves, right? So one has to become beautiful inwardly, because these are, the we are using like kind of beauty products and all to make ourselves more beautiful. So
Hmm.
these are materialistic. Okay, so the main thing is that how we are inwardly, basically the behavior, nature, and the way of saying things, right? And the basically I would say the first thing which I would take, which is humility, compassion. Like if the person is
Hmm.
very having that kind of compassion, then definitely he will say things, convey things in a very polite way. He will put his all thoughts to the other person in a very polite way. If the if the matter is quite negative, but definitely he will put that very polite way and very like a sensible way. So that is why I will go with inner beauty, because this beauty don't, definitely is it's going to wither at some point when we become a little bit aged. Definitely that charm, that we'll get the wrinkles, right? Automatically we'll have that kind of that wrinkled face. Automatically it
Hmm.
will get withered. But the main thing is that which will be with ourselves, which is the beauty inside, the kind of
Mm-hmm.
person we are inwardly, like we are very like positive and having that kind of humility and the patience we are having. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
that is why I'm saying this.
Definitely, I will also go with inner beauty, but in some cases, like outer beauty, like if some person is very beautiful, but sometimes they are also facing some problems, like if they are very beautiful and they are very hardworking also, but in some places it is sad that okay, you are beautiful, so you are getting this opportunity,
Yeah.
but they are not
Yes,
watching their qualities, that she is hardworking or he is hardworking, he is very diligent. Sometimes they all time blaming, okay, you are so beautiful, that is the reason you are getting this opportunity.
yes, because people attract with her external beauty and they provide her opportunity. They misuse of her beauty, but it's on her hand how to tackle that situation. That is also include in inner beauty.
Hmm.
Right, right,
And
absolutely.
they always facing some pressure, like they are very beautiful, like I can give an example of Bollywood industry. There are so many beautiful celebrities. Every time they have great pressure to maintain their beauty. For this they are adopting some surgeries also. They are not taking good diet also.
Yes,
And to
but
become
sometimes
beautiful,
sometimes people comment on beautiful all the time. They keep an eyes on them and they all the time try to avoid for external beauty because of external beauty. It's also
And
happened.
recently, I think we all are aware of there is a girl Prachi Nigam who is the topper of the UP board.
yeah,
I think we all
Yes,
are aware.
yes,
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 Everybody, somebody are praising, and somebody are like trolling that girl
yeah,
yes,
letting her
just
down.
because
Yeah,
of her, outer appearance.
yeah,
yes,
They are not, watching their quality. Like she has topped in the UP board. It is a big thing.
yeah.
So, what do you say, Om Prakash, about this topic, outer beauty and inner beauty?
Yes, yes, it's a nice topic we have to pick to inner beauty and outer beauty. Okay, so we have to speak in both topic or it's any single
Yes,
topic.
yes, you can speak about both topics.
Okay, so both are topic is very crucial and very important for each and every individual.
Mm-hmm,
So yes, I have written some things about inner beauty and outer beauty. So I will explain one by one.
mm-hmm,
So So inner beauty can be last beyond the lifetime in the memory of the people,
mm-hmm,
right? So because just if you taken any examples like my Prime Minister Modi, he has done many things, but people don't know anything about, and people blaming just. But after we are individual and we came here in empty hand, and you will get we will go in this world
mm,
empty hand. So there's only one thing remaining is inner beauty. So how much I am honest in myself in
mm-hmm,
inside, not just appearance to what people looks like or dislike people, but inner beauty is you know lives life forever for any individual. So I thought
mm-hmm.
inner beauty is more important than outer beauty. So yeah, outer
But
beauty is yes
go
outer
ahead, go ahead.
yes outer beauty is also important because how do you appear of any other people, it's also impact of our personality. So it's very
Mm-hmm,
important to have a good appearance and have a good presentations of itself. So it's also both are very crucial, but I think inner beauty is more important than outer beauty.
if you
That's
are
all.
beautiful, in some cases automatically people feel envy of that person.
Yes, yes.
Have you seen this kind of thing in the society, that she is very beautiful? Every day, most of the time, they feel some resentment, like this
Tanya, to
person is
be
not liking me.
Tanya, to be honest, a person who are external beautiful, that person much more confidence in social
Mm-hmm.
gathering. and some way somebody show off also, and they don't show off that that person is very innocent. He sit in a corner. Still, people look at that lady and gents both. People
Mm-hmm.
attract with external beauty, to be honest. But if you have lots of knowledge, after
Mm.
opening your mouth, people attract with you. But first, their choice is external beauty. That is very true. No,
Mm-hmm. Yes,
yes,
it is a bitter truth. First,
bitter
they
truth.
will attract by their physical appearance.
But one thing, uh, people who has ugly face, they
Mm.
don't have external beauty. That person always push themselves to be intelligent and maintain their beauty, because they are these days in the market lots of beauty products. If you apply and if you learn how to present ourselves, whatever God has given you, it doesn't matter, but the way you live and lead your life, that is matter, and we always think about that. But
Mm.
on the other hand, that is very true question answer. People always attract from external beauty. Yes.
Yes, that is the
I would
reason
like to
Prachi
say
Nigam
something.
take a session with a beautician. I think some beautician had taken given her a session, and after that, her looks is, I think, totally changed.
No,
But you know,
that's not true. I think that's not true.
Hmm. Maybe it can be created by AI.
Yeah,
I don't know.
maybe.
no,
Yeah. On
but
this
if
note, I would
you,
like to say something.
yes, yes,
Like many
continue.
companies, they are promoting beauty products and all. So anyhow, they are trying to impose to the like dusky face person that okay, you are inferior, you feel inferior, and you need some beauty products to apply,
Hmm.
right? So they are trying to reinforce to the other person, trying to impose basically, which is not right, because the person who is having a dusky color, dark color, they automatically try to feel like they are inferior, and the person who is
Hmm.
having a very fair color complexion, right, and having a beautiful face, so they automatically, some people, because each and everything has the exceptions, right? So the person who is having a fair color, they are like kind of they always try to treat themselves that I am superior, and having
Hmm.
such kind of arrogance in
Hmm.
themselves. They always think that I should be given the first priority, because why I'm having this fair color complexion, that is why the beauty I'm having, that is why, and it's all outwardly, not inwardly.
Hmm.
But
It does not define the person is very good. Okay, inside it's not really defined.
you know,
Do you? Hmm.
color I think doesn't matter. It is my personal opinion. If you know how to make up and how is your dressing sense, how to speak, how to communicate in
Hmm.
with the respect, that is the real personality and real beauty. Color, it doesn't
Hmm.
matter. If I am fair, I don't know how to make up. I don't know how type of clothes where I should wear, not need to my fairness, no use of there. And you have mixed complexion and you have dark complexion, and you present yourself the good way,
Hmm.
people
In
attract
a
with
smart
that
way.
smart way.
Yes.
That is the matter, that is the matter. It doesn't matter
Hmm.
I am fair or not, because I am fair. I am not interested to present myself very smart way. People don't
Hmm.
attract with me. And if I am fair or dark, Michelle Obama, you look at
Hmm.
her.
Yeah,
You
we
know,
know.
she
Hmm.
has dark complexion, but the way she maintained her external and internal both beauty, people attract with that. Like Barack Obama, he has also dark complexion. No,
Hmm.
But
but uh,
in India, it's very prevailing, ma'am. It's very prevailing, the racism basically. It's
Hmm.
all
no,
because of the color complexion.
because no,
The
it's
society.
happened. It's happened. But why? because we are not interested to present ourselves like the way God given us personality and color. We stick with that. If you try to be smart in any field, because we need to present ourselves, we need to make up. Somebody just told, no, no, I don't like the makeup. Why? If we make up, apply the makeup, and we can present ourselves good way, why we can't? But
Hmm.
we should know proper way how to apply the makeup. Sometimes people over makeup, they apply over makeup. That is not good. Somebody don't know how to apply the makeup. That is no good. First, we need to learn that every field, if we keep ready ourselves to update, that is the real beauty,
Hmm.
external and internal both. If you show ourselves smart in external beauty, that is real beauty. External beauty and internal beauty is also connected with that.
Yes,
When we
if we know how should we presentable that time, yes, both beauties are really very advantageous, and yes, we should learn how to do makeup, and
yes,
we should, unnecessarily don't promote so many things right now in the market, that you should use this thing, that you should use this thing, just for getting fair complexion. We should use wisely and in a
yes,
proper manner.
We need to
Yes.
not
become
need
mindful
to
basically.
fair, not need to
Hmm.
become fair person. Just you learn how to present in good way, which things is
Hmm.
suitable for me. First, you learn that. Somebody has very bulgy and they are short person, they are healthy, and they wear whatever they want. If anybody, they are a very healthy person and shorter person, they don't have height, and they wear one piece. How does they look like? How do they look like?
Hmm.
According to our body, we should choose the dress. What should
Okay.
I?
So, do you want to say something, Nutan?
No, no, nothing.
Maybe Om Prakash is feeling awkward among the ladies.
No, no, no. I really want to say something because yeah, it's a
Yes, sir.
different. So
Yes, you
yeah, I
can.
think external beauty is a gift which is given
Mm-hmm.
by the God.
Yes,
Hmm.
And also, I have gone in the markets. I have seen many ladies beauty parlor, but I haven't
Mm-hmm.
seen boy ladies parlor. So I
But
think
no,
nowadays, boys are also taking treatments. Nowadays, boys are also taking treatment, beauty treatments in
not
big
boys.
cities.
Family saloon.
Yes.
If you go outside and any market, just you search online and anywhere, what is the family saloon? Which
Hmm.
in that family saloon, ladies, gents, and their child, everyone can maintain their beauty because your child's haircut is also there, your wife is also there, and you are also there. There's a
And
family
nowadays,
saloon.
men are also obsessed of their beauty and their performance, their outer beauty. They're also very cautious.
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes,
because
So I
agree
think
with
it was a very fruitful group discussion. And now we